Hi friends, I'm Claire and welcome back to HTVRONT's channel. So I think a lot of you have known that Taylor Swift is dropping her new album, and I was actually looking on the merch online yesterday and I was like, what if I just made one my own? So that's exactly what we are about to do today. We're gonna be making Taylor Swift themed tumbler, drawstring bag, and this one is the tote bag. This is our brand new A200 tumbler heat press, all inspired by her new album. Let's go! So my complete set of DIY Taylor Swift merch collection is finally finished. I feel like this is way more personal and unique than just simply buying something online. So I would love to see all your creations inspired by Taylor Swift's new album. So if you have any of these, please tag us on our social medias. I can't wait to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. We are going to be making some spooky Halloween stuff next time, so you don't want to miss that. So now I'm gonna go back to listen to Taylor's 1989 album on repeat. I'll see you next time. Bye.